understanding the Student Rail Pass. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but useful phrase, Student Rail Pass. Whether you're planning to travel or just curious about different cultural aspects, understanding such phrases can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in. A Student Rail Pass is a type of ticket available in many countries that allows students to travel on trains at a reduced cost. It's designed to make transportation more affordable for those who are still studying. These passes can often be used for unlimited travel within a certain period, like a month or a year, and are typically exclusive to students, meaning you need to prove your student status to purchase one. The working of a Student Rail Pass can vary depending on the country or rail service. Generally, after purchasing a pass, students can use it to travel on various train routes without needing to buy individual tickets for each journey. This makes it a cost-effective and convenient option for regular travel, like commuting to school or exploring different cities. Having a Student Rail Pass comes with several benefits. 1. Cost savings. The most significant advantage is the reduction in travel costs. 2. Convenience. It eliminates the need to purchase tickets for each journey. 3. Exploration opportunities. It encourages students to explore new places without worrying about high travel costs. To obtain a Student Rail Pass, you typically need to prove your student status. This usually involves showing a valid student ID or enrollment letter. Purchase the pass. This can be done online, at train stations, or sometimes through educational institutions. Understand the terms and conditions. Each pass has its own set of rules, like validity periods, eligible train services, and any blackout dates. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a Student Rail Pass is and how it can be a great asset for students who travel. It's not just a ticket, it's a gateway to new experiences and adventures. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language content. Stay curious and keep learning.